highly welcome. Dalila, you are welcome. Good morning. Guys, let's double tap on our screen. Let's share the live stream. If you are joining, you are welcome. Please tell us where you are joining us from. Allah, Alade, I see you. You are welcome. Guys, let's double tap on our screen. Let's double tap. If you are joining, you are highly welcome. Please double tap on your screen and share the live stream. Double tap on your screen and share the live stream. A lot needs to be done this afternoon, this morning. Gold needs to be dealt with right now. So we are just coming up. Bills, I see you. Good morning. Guys, let's double tap on our screen. Let's share the live. Let's work together, guys. Let's work together. Let's be on the same page. Let's do that so that we can start on time. As I say, I come live on time today. So we get opportunity when I just say now. When I want make we mellow together. So if you observe me, I just execute the trade right there, right now. This is MT5. You can see the position right here. So I'll go first of all. I know the tradition now. So I need to explain in details according to market structure wetin I see wey make I execute buy trade or wetin I see wey make I execute sell trade. Understand? All of this information are very very important. We no go just assume say the market go buy, then because of that we go come go buy, and we no go just assume say the market go sell, and because of that we go come go sell. Understand? It is very very important that you know what you are seeing, and it also make sure it's also in line with your strategy or your trading setups. You understand? So that even if the market decide to do otherwise, you will have a better understanding of what the market is doing. You will not be trading with assumption. Rather, you'll be trading with right guidance, clear understanding of the market structure. So if you are joining us this morning or joining us from TikTok, from YouTube, you are welcome. Please, let's engage the live stream so we can start on time. Let's work together. I want us to be on the same page at all times. And for those of us that are trading live accounts, now know now, drop off for comment section, say you are active. If you know say you dey trade live account, not demo traders, drop off for comment section, say you are active, so that make I know people when I'm going to call by their names. Understand? Guys, if you are joining us, you are welcome. Please drop a comment below. Drop a comment below. Drop a comment below. Let's go. No time. Ready or yo? Bro, you update this stuff now so I can place this call. No time. What do I need now? Guys, let's double tap. Let's double tap. I'm waiting. Oh. I'm waiting. Job, you are welcome. Guys, let's double tap on our screen, guys. Let's double tap on our screen. How far? Hello, good morning. Can you hear me? Yeah. Good morning. Yeah, good morning. Can you hear me? Sir. You dey hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, sir, but I can't see you.
Okay, I'm going to be sharing my screen now.
Yes, I can hear you, but I don't see anything for the screen.
I know. So once I share my screen and my screen pop up, let me know. You dey see my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, for better network, you are going to stay on this call for for a long time. So I go advise make you comot your video so that make your network for dey smooth. You understand?
Like,
Comot your video so that make this thing make e no dey lag, because if your video dey now, e go dey draw more uploading speed of your network, so e go fit make am lag. So I go advise make you just click on that camera icon to remove your video, so just dey see my screen. You know understand wetin I dey talk?
okay,
For better network.
video.
For better network, yeah. Now you see dey see my screen, abi? All right, so now the chart where you dey see for my screen so now XAUUSD, which is good. And yesterday night, I don't know, I forgot to ask you some certain questions, especially questions when I dey ask almost everybody that comes to us. How long have you been trading?
Like I've been trading about at least 2 years now because but I don't know anything about it though.
Oh,
But
wait.
you get some setup when I go see.
Not strategy, not strategy,
I will know.
not strategy. I'm not asking you about some setup, all of this stuff. Do you know how to place a? Do you know how to buy, how to sell, how to close trade on your MT5?
I can't hear you very well, sir.
You sabi place trade, you sabi enter buy, you sabi enter sell, you sabi comot for trade.
Yes, sir. I sabi place trade. I sabi place my stop loss.
Uh-huh. Very, very important because now the major thing where we want to do here today, first of all, now be that. Remember the discussion yesterday night. So we are going to do this like this today and next week Monday. Then whatever profit generated, you cannot use it as your expenses while you plan your way down to Lagos or anytime. Let's just start something. You understand? But the major reason for this particular live video call is for you to place trade direct from your end. There is noise. You get noise where they your side. So wait. Wait. You hear me?
Yes, I hear you, sir.
Is it clear now? Like the this is okay. You hear me very well. The audio is okay.
And they hear you, yes, sir. I don't know whether I go outside now. I don't person my TV figure there.
Because why I dey ask you whether you dey hear me very well be say you see wetin we wan do here today, so e requires you to always dey hear me o, because you know say na gold we dey trade and today is Friday and the gold market always move massively. E dey move well when e wan move, just like now. So I go want make you always pay close attention so that if you dey execute the trade now, I just shared my MT5 with you. You dey see my MT5 account. The screen where you dey see now, that is a live trading account, so you can see that I'm currently trading there. So wetin I want make you do now be say the network bad and the noise is even much, it's too much here. Can we try WhatsApp? But Telegram is supposed to be the best. This Telegram now we supposed to use because it's the best that I can use to share this call. Because I don't use WhatsApp on my system here.
I can hear you very clear now. I'm outside.
Okay. So now I always want you to pay close attention to what I am doing on my screen. Remember, not be saying I teach you want do. What you want do so now just normal day trading. You understand? Today and Monday. Then as from next time, you can then make your arrangement to come for physical class. Now I need you to understand something very, very important. That if you see say I dey execute any trade, either buy or sell, it is your responsibility to always ask me, always unmute yourself and ask me wetin I dey do, wetin I wan make you do, whether make you enter buy abi make you enter sell. And you see, before I will tell you to execute another trade, because me I don already take my trade, and we are going to do what is called a quick top-down analysis on XAUUSD, so that you wey wan take the same trade when I dey take, so that you go fit understand wetin I dey see when make me they make the decisions when they make on gold today. So I'm currently buying gold. Yesterday we sold gold massively, and gold actually gave us good profit. But today, I'm currently seeing buy opportunity. So the reason for the buy now be what you want first do now, which is analyze. We are going to do the technical analysis and some fundamental information that all that aligned with why we dey buy. So if I want to analyze this market technically, and I call it the top-down analysis, we have to start analyzing the chart beginning from the daily time frame. So let's assume we don't understand what gold is doing. So I go delete everything where do my chart. So on my screen right now, we'll go to daily time frame. Why am I starting analyzing the market from the daily time frame? Why I start the analysis from daily time frame? You see, the daily time frame is an higher time frame and it controls every other lower time frame. Remember, me and you, so we be day traders. So we are going to make our decisions today, our buy decisions. We are going to make that decisions today, and we are going to close the same trades today. We are going to make our sell decisions today, and we are going to close the same trades today, either in profit or in losses. So it is always important that you understand what the daily time frame is doing according to market structure. What I mean by market structure is this: now, the strategy that you are paying for that I will be teaching you is called a price action strategy. And price action means understanding the candlesticks information. Bro, if you hear say I dey talk fast, fast, you feel draw my attention to that thing, you understand, so that I go feel go back to enlighten you more. You understand? Eh. So now, price action is understanding the candlesticks information. If I say price action is understanding the candlesticks information, it means that every candlestick where you dey see for years, so all these candlesticks, they carry information. Those candlesticks are actually speaking some languages. It's either the candlestick they tell you say buyers they in charge, or the candlestick they tell you say sellers they in charge. You understand? And for you to now be able to learn the information of the candlestick, you need to learn the language of the market. Go. This market so get language when they speak. And the language where the market they speak, now we they call market structure. Market structure. So for quick understanding as we move forward to doing our top down analysis, if I said if someone should say, okay, what is market structure? Market structure, now the way the market they react, the patterns where price they move. If you they see my screen now, you go see say this is a downtrend. Let me mark out a downtrend for you. This is a downtrend. Now, I hope you know what is a downtrend, Abi. Downtrend means that sellers were in charge. The market was consistently breaking support zone towards the downside. That means sellers they in charge. And if market they downtrend, the only thing we're supposed to they look out for now sell opportunities. But inside the downtrend, so where we say sellers be in charge, you can still see some buy move now. You still they see some buy candles there. So you see, now be what we they call market structure, which is in a downtrend, the market go sell. Let me give you the example now. The market go sell, then it go buy, which we call pullback. It will call continue the sell, breaking this support to form a new support. Then the market will call buy again, which we normally call pullback. It will continue the sell because in a downtrend, breaking this support to form a new support. After the new support, market go buy again, which we call pullback. You see, the way the market they react, so which is it go buy, it go sell, it go buy, it go sell. Now we will be waiting with the call market structure. So you, when we do your top-down analysis today, Friday, it is very, very important that you understand this particular market structure that we are talking about, because it always have a way of playing out in every time frame. So on our daily time frame today, once you open out like this, you go first of all see say on daily time frame the market day uptrend. Hope you know that. This is it. Market day uptrend for daily time frame. Yes, buying now buyers they in charge. And the market structure where they here be say for the buy for the uptrend was that market buy, it pull back, then it continue the buy, break this resistance to form a new resistance. It pull back, it continue the buy, breaking this resistance to form a new resistance. It do pull back again. It continue the buy, break here to form here. It do pull back again. It continue the buy, it break here, form here. Then 2 days ago, we call enter sell, and yesterday, now make we sell come here. The sell where we sell between the first day and yesterday. Now pull back to this particular structure where the market breaks. So now, today, Friday, we are currently anticipating gold to continue the original trend. So let me ask you again, Shebi, what is the trend on gold on daily time frame? Daily time, this daily time frame now uptrend. Shebi, you remember? Shebi, you remember?
Yes.
Yes, this is an uptrend. Bro, don't assume if you know, understand. No, assume anything. Okay, you know what to be uptrend?
Okay, let's try.
Yes, meaning buyers are the one in charge. And so for context sake, for what you dey see for my screen now, na be this particular direction where you see say I just mark am so where this man you see say when I be dey explain about downtrend, I was using this other side where I for dey move my this thing. So here this one now na downtrend. You see say the market dey go down consistently. So in a downtrend, the only thing that you're supposed to be looking out for is sell opportunities because it means that sellers are in charge. Now in an uptrend, the only thing that you're supposed to be looking out for is buy opportunity because buyers are in charge. But there's something called market structure. When you come, I will take you on a very deep class about price action and market structures for better understanding. Now, for the context of this, is so that you for fit take trade. Like now, you've already missed out on the trade because see me, I don't already take that trade, and if not for the explanation now, you for still take it because the market still do pullback. When you do that pullback, you for take that buy trade too. But let's just continue. So I will look out for another opportunity where we go for re-enter another trade for those of us when we do any trade now. So if you go back to the chart on the daily time frame, you will see say the market now uptrend, and the market has been consistently breaking resistance zone. E first break here. When e break here, e pull back, then e continue again, e break another resistance zone. Then you observe say e pull back, e continue again, e break another resistance zone, e pull back again, then e continue, e break another resistance zone. Then now, when e come go form this resistance where my cursor dey so, day before yesterday, the market come do pullback. That pullback now you see say we be dey sell day before yesterday and yesterday. If e be say you join the live stream, day before yesterday we started selling and stroke yesterday. So now the sell then wey we be dey sell na pullback and the market don do the pullback. So how we go tell know say okay the market don do the pullback finish for us to continue the buy? I'm already buying. I'm only doing all of this explanation for those of you that may not really understand why I dey buy. I want you guys so that we can be on the same page, make everybody for know why we dey buy. Why am I saying all of this? You see, the fact that we are buying doesn't mean that the market cannot sell. Yes, but it is your business orientation of what we are doing now that will determine if you will end today Friday in profit or not. Very, very important. So take note of that. So now, you see, on this particular resistance zone right here, after the market don do the pullback, today now the market don dey buy. But we need to understand the information wetin be the confirmation wey tell us say okay today suppose buy. That also na be the major question where every forex trader suppose ask themselves this morning. Wetin be the information? Wetin you see wey make you know say gold suppose buy today Friday? Wetin you dey see wey me I no dey see? So wetin me I dey see now be say based on the daily time frame, the market be dey do pullback fine. Now I understand that market wey be dey do pullback on daily time frame for 1 hour time frame na downtrend. That means for this market to continue the buy on this daily time frame, I need to see a clear reversal pattern on that same 1 hour time frame. So this place when I mark like this place when I draw this particular circle, so na be the support of this particular pin bar. So if you go to your 1 hour time frame, this is what there looks like. So remember wetin I talk now, that pullback where we start to dey do day before yesterday, that sell where we started to do, na be all of these sell moves, na be this downtrend where you dey see for here. So now I understand that that sell wey happen day before yesterday and yesterday say na pullback and on the daily time frame. And for us to be sure that the market go continue the buy based on the daily analysis, we need to see another reversal pattern from this 1 hour time frame. So the reversal pattern when I dey see here now we dey call bullish engulfing reversal pattern, which is this particular candlestick right here. Now, for educational purpose, let me now teach you something here. As I start this live stream, I tell you something very, very important. I said the strategy that I will be teaching you is called a price action strategy. Then I went ahead to define price action strategies. Price action, forget about the grammar. Wetin e mean be say you understanding those candlesticks information. You know those candlesticks na be the price now. So the candlesticks are the prices of the market. So you as a price action trader, wetin e mean be say you understand the information of those candlesticks. Then I now went ahead to tell you again, and I said it means that every candlestick get information when e dey pass. It's either that candlestick dey pass the information say buyers na them dey in charge, All the candlestick they pass the information say sellers na them they in charge. It is just your responsibility to know that particular information. Then Anna said, for you to know those information, you need to study about what is called market structure. Now, market structure is the way, the patterns in which this market move. That means behind every structure, there is a vital information. So this place where you see I point my arrow, so here is a structure, and we have a very clear information there. And the information we get for here now we they call bullish engulfing candlestick. Bullish engulfing now reversal candlestick where they carry market from downtrend to uptrend. This particular blue candle, I think I should just change this color now to normal color where everybody they familiar with, which is green and red. I think that will be better so that I will you go feel the understand me faster. Sorry about that. Yes. So you dey see this particular grey candle so where my arrow dey point like this, the name na we dey call bullish engulfing. E dey carry market dey go up. So as the market don form the bullish engulfing, e don already dey give me signs say okay oh, more market wey we dey sell since on Wednesday, omo I no suppose sell am today again oh, because the market don reach major support zone. And apart from say market don reach major support zone, e don still give me reversal pattern wey we dey call bullish engulfing. So that one now, na go call serve as my confirmation for today. Say okay, that daily time frame suppose buy because on the daily time frame we still dey uptrend. On daily time frame, sir, we still dey uptrend. So in all that you do on that daily time frame, look out for buy opportunities. So the buy opportunity now will be wetin we dey narrow down to see how we go take get am on the lower time frame. Then I come see am for 1 hour. So after the bullish engulfing, market needs to do what is called 50% retracement. So e don do am. Now be this sell where sell come here. So from this particular support, I can't take the buy trade from there. And where are the target? At the target this major resistance right here, this immediate resistance right here. It doesn't need to be that far. This is good. Now, there's something that you might not maybe now what you know before where be they affect you. What is that? You see, it is not about you be right in every trade. No, you are not going to be right in every setup. 100% of your setup are not going to always go your way. But you see the little ones that will always go your way, how you take advantage of them is what determines if you will be profitable or not. Yes, and also how you lose money is what will determine if you will be a profitable, consistent profitable trader or not. Let me repeat that. You see, as a forex trader, we always tend to despise the place of losses and over the place of profit. We just want to be winning, be winning, be winning, be winning. Then we'll call despise the place of losing. You see, this particular market, we are all speculators. We dey speculate the price to go up, and most of the times, if you are right, then you make profit. If you speculate the price to go up and the price went down, you will make losses. But if you fail to understand the place of losses as a business-oriented forex trader, you no go anywhere. Even if you make $10,000 today, the market will still take am from you. Why? Because you are the kind of trader where no one lose anything. You are the kind of trader where we say you think say you are always going to be right. So what does that narrow down? You see, you have an account of $100. That particular $100 that you are trading here today, you cannot be risking $100 on this market today. It is foolishness. So what do we go dey risk on that your account today? Now $15, 15, 15. Now be the everything where we go risk on that account. That means if you should lose $15 on that account, we are shutting it down today. Then we look for good opportunity again next week. You understand what I talk? So now, when we dey reach that $15, you are going to be making some profit also. Now, whenever we are risking $5 on a particular trade, for instance, we should be targeting to make at least maybe $10, which is 1:2, or $15, which is 1:3. So if we take 10 trade, or we take 5 trade, if we take 5 trade, and out of that 5 trade, we lose 3 trade. 3 trade now $15. If now $5 we dey risk. And if we only win 2 trade, if now 1:2, that is $20. That means you are still going to be in profit. So I need us to carry that mentality earlier this morning so that as we dey continue, you no go dey pressure yourself, because one of the major disadvantage of being a forex trader is the ability of not knowing how to manage your emotion. Emotion are the biggest mistake where many of us they make, they give in. At the moment you give yourself into emotion as a forex trader, you just sign up for consistency of blowing of account. And I pray that God will help us and we will not blow account. So now the market has hit a resistance zone. It dey try do pullback now. From this pullback, let's see what the market makers are planning to do. Then we look out for another entry for you when no dey the trade. So if this market reach where me and for enter am, I will advise you take a buy trade from there, and I will call out the stop loss for you. Then we let it run. So yes, I can hear you. No wahala. But did you understand what I'm saying? Okay, so for you that is not in the buy trade already, looking for your next opportunity to execute a buy trade. So we're just going to be patient while we wait patiently for the market to come into this particular place right here. Then we could execute the trade. All right, guys, if you are joining, you are welcome. Please let's double tap on our screen. The people on TikTok, let's double tap. Let's share the live stream. So the market actually did a pullback, but it not really reach the place where you suppose for execute your own buy trade. You dey see my MT5? Because it gets, I want make it pull back to this place so that you go feel enter the buy from bottom. Remember, we don't buy from resistance. We know they buy from up, we dey buy from down. We dey buy from support zone. So once the market come down, we go fit take the buy trade from support here. Okay, very good. No jump at all. No allow the market manipulate your mind though. No, you're welcome. Akinola Temidayo, I see you. Good morning, Alpha. How you take manage your trade yesterday, Temidayo? Your sell trade. Hope you hit TP.
Even today, that buy went yesterday. I look out for that buy, but I don't really take bad entry. Now exactly where my account go. Then the entry when I expect. So this thing you don't feel I don't dey trade am. I dey fear to fall my account. Now why I just feel like man learn this thing completely. So that if I dey trade, I go trade with two profit first. Like today now when this market come by, I don't know what this market do. It will just be like this is what happens tomorrow when you say this is it don't be I don't expect that success last week. You don't want to say what happens. So I don't expect that I don't really say that market will say but we can't continue to buy. They come to say now Monday I be on Monday coming to Tuesday I try to sell for happen. I know but I think it goes that way too. And this is not the extent to say
You see, say this market don't. I dey understand you now. Understand. You see, say this market don't pull back a bit. So make we look out for buy opportunity from this particular support zone. Wait, wait on 30 minutes time frame. There is a structure that we need to see price come to here. Okay, let's quickly take a look at some of the fundamentals of today. Let's look out for the news. Also, let's look out for the Forex sentiment and the Forex heat map. So we are going to be using my FS book. Open my fsbook.com on your browser. Then you scroll down. Let's see if there is any high impact news here today. GBP have impact news. USD have high impact news in the next 5 hours. In the next 5 hours, that should be around 1 o'clock. Around 3 o'clock. So around 3 o'clock, there is high impact news. USD get high impact news. Today now, non-farm payroll annual revision. Another one, non-farm payroll annual revision is a very, very strong high impact news. Non-farm payroll annual revision. 5 hours from now. So let's look out for this particular news. Then let's quickly check our Forex sentiment so that maybe for know what go they do truly, truly. Whether a day line or be no day line. Scroll down and look out for gold where you dey trade XAU USD. I never see gold.
honestly, sir, I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
But you don't understand what I do.
Yes, sir. The Kuba, the way to make money. I'm still looking for here.
All right, so I don't see gold. So now, as at now, we currently have 50% of sellers on gold and 50% of buyers on gold. That means where that market dey so na go serve as a strong reversal confirmation for this gold. If gold break this resistance, nothing go hold am till e reach this our take profit, which is here. You see, if market eventually break out from this resistance zone, in all that you do, any small opportunity where you see, enter another buy because the market e dey go to this take profit next. Because now, remember as at yesterday, while we were selling, we were actually having more sellers as at a point. Because the market, the sentiment come dey show us say we get more sellers. But now, this morning, the information don change from more sellers to 50% of sellers and 50% of buyers. That means they are both equal now. And truly, if you check your chart on this 1 hour time frame, you go see say where the market dey so there na very critical resistance zone. You understand? You cannot really tell if the market will be able to break above here immediately, because now the market don first come that resistance zone countless time, which is after here e test the trend line, then e do another massive sell, e come test the trend line again, e do another massive sell. So now e dey that same trend line now. You understand? So e fit from here, if dem no reject am make e continue sell, see this market, and because e say e break above here, baba, you know what you do, enter another buy, target this resistance, and you go use am chop better block. We dey shebi we dey here now. So let's just monitor this trade step by step. No let anything whine you. Just dey follow am one step at a time. Understand? So let's wait for the confirmation. Once e confirm am, I will be very, very happy, and then we are going to drain it. No go need to do shishi. Then I be dey hear you dey talk something say you like to trade gold. It is good though. It is good to like to trade gold, but you need to understand the other side of gold. No, gold is not a currency. Gold is a commodity. I understand that gold actually gives more money when traded because of the volatility on gold. Gold, the volatility high well. But you still need to know say the way gold take dey give money, na so e take dey give money. The way take dey give, na so e take dey blow your account if care is not taken. So the best thing wey you suppose learn to do now is how to trade gold without emotionally attached to the account. I mean, how to trade this gold without say you no dey emotion, you no dey feel say if the market go against you, make you call the revenge or make you call the cry. So for you to be able to do that, before you execute any trade, know how much where you are ready to let go and put am comot your mind. No let the market whine you and you no whine yourself. No let the market whine you and you no whine yourself. Once you take the trade, let am play out jejeje as you take say make e play out. If e go, e go. If e no go, e go hit your stop loss. Price hitting your stop loss doesn't make you a bad trader. Rather, it shows that you understand what the market might do, and I make you put your stop loss for there. So you can look for another opportunity if the market present am for you to re-enter am and to make your money back. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. I pray that God will help us. Days you. So if you hear anybody they tell you say gold is this, gold is that, gold na lie you. All my prayer now na make this resistance break. If this market break this resistance, e go go. E go go. Okay, I am seeing something on a 5 minutes time frame. So, sir, on that your account is 0.01 executing a buy trade from there. And let me call out the stop loss for you. You hear wetin I dey talk? 0.01. Let me call out the stop loss for you. minutes. So what I'm telling you to do now is was to take the buy trade from where the market did now, exactly where it is, so then make your stop loss just dey below this pin bar right here. You understand? Remember, say we are not risking more than what you can afford to let go. Then the you say what?
I said I'm not hearing you.
Okay.
You mean I should take an entry now?
Yes, take a buy trade from where this market dey so and put your stop loss from where make I call the stop loss number for you. Now wetin I dey talk since be that.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
0.01 according to your account size. No go over leverage oh.
Okay, sir.
Because the market needs to break this resistance for a confirmation.
Oh, let me wait for a confirmation.
Execute a buy trade from where this market dey so and make I call the stop loss for you. You don first tell me something this morning say you like to trade gold but you dey fear. If you dey fear then
I don't take one buy now.
Oh yeah, let me call the stop loss for you. You dey see my structure now. Open your 5 minutes time frame. You go see this particular place right here. Put the stop loss below this pin bar where they here. So you go see pin bar for here.
Stop loss for like for 4065.
What do you mean by 4065? 460 60 something below there. Yes, put that for around there. Yeah. Now around here now it be so. I know they see your account. I for check out for you. Oh yeah. Type am now. 4606.
Okay, 4606.
0.50. 0.50. So first of all, remember saying at 0.01 now you tell enter am so where this market dey so, like I said earlier, na very critical region, na very critical resistance zone. So we need to see if price will be able to break above here. If e fit break this resistance, if e fit break where this line dey, that will be a clear confirmation say the market go really buy and e go buy reach this our take profit, because na it be wetin we dey look out for on daily time frame and also on 1 hour time frame. So on 1 hour time frame, where give us that confirmation, where we want give us the confirmation, so now say if price fit break above here, which here now major resistance area, let me mark out those areas for better understanding. If you check, market don come test that trend line, it come to the trend line again, it come to the trend line again. Understand? So here, it can finally break out from the trend line. If you observe, it can break out from the trend line. So we dey look out for the nine make we dey look out for buy from here. Now, once price fit break above this resistance right here, once it pull back, there is no structure anywhere around here until this resistance zone. So we go from here, go take our take profit. Very simple. Just hold on to the trade. Let's see. Let's just monitor the trade. Now, let me now teach you something very, very important that you need to know as a day trader. You see, in the Forex market, or let me say in the Forex industry, we have a lot of people that knows how to analyze this market. They are very, very professional when it comes to analyzing the chart. They go analyze this market, say make this market buy, and true to the market go buy. But the person go tell you, say, I not call take am, I be dey wait for confirmation. No, the thing there be say the person be dey fear. So that one, so now be the fear where we dey talk for the market. Now, you see that fear, we actually make you lose more money in a long run, because you go dey fear, you go dey miss out from perfect entry, from support zone, or from top resistance zone. All in the name of I'm waiting for confirmation, I'm waiting for confirmation. Then at the end of the day, when the market don dey go in your direction, you come go jump enter from the middle. And when you jump enter from the middle, that is no longer trading. That one now try your luck. Now you call it try do so. You understand? So your responsibility as a professional trader is the ability to know where to execute a trade and risk minimal. Listen to what I talk. What makes you a professional trader is the ability to know where to execute the trade and your stop loss, make your stop loss dey very, very small. So now be wetin we do so that even if e no go, e go give us another opportunity to do wetin e wan do. And if e go show say na you get am clear, na you go make money pass from that particular trade because na you take am from the bottom. So this issue of make I wait for confirmation, we need to, what is that? This issue of make I wait for confirmation, it's our time you understand that your confirmation should be based on the higher time frame, like the daily, the 4 hours, or the 1 hour, like we've just seen. Then the lower time frame is just for execution and let the trade run. You know they fear anything, say make nothing will happen for this market. The only thing wey go happen na you go take your stop loss, then you go reanalyze to re-exit to re-execute the trade and make money from the market. Very simple. Now, Temidayo, are you still here on YouTube? Let me know if you are here. Then if you be say you don't execute trade, make I know. Are you in any trade now? No be you are the talker. I'm talking to somebody here on YouTube. Temidayo, are you in any trade? Okay, so when you take the trade, you suppose don't pass your profile now. What did they happen? Since on Monday, since last week when you did join my live stream, you suppose don't pass that profile now. What did happen? Because most of the trades when I don't take since that last week, where give us profit, they give you profit too. And you tell me say na 5K account now you dey trade. So the account suppose don't pass now. What did they share? Okay, the profile don't fit dey draw down before. So what will remain you now to pass the now phase 1 you dey abi phase 2 abi funded? You don't. No, now. Shebi na 5K. If na 5K account and you don't and it dey 5,609, that means suppose don't pass now. What will be your target? 600 suppose be abi na 8%. If na 10%, na 500 now. 8%, I think 400 or something. What will be the target? Okay. You go pass am. Just be patient. And that they drop. Oh, let's see happen for there. You dey close trade, abi you dey take trade?
Take one strong bullish, so I just add with 0.1.01. That is 0.1 lot. That is the same. That is that 0.01 lot.
0.01. No use pass 0.01. You get why your account a very small account. Oh. If you go do pass yourself, your account go blow before the market move in your direction, and now you go lose. So the best thing na to always let your trade play out anyhow when you want to play out. It no matter, it no mean anything. The only thing that mean is at the end of it, or how far are you in profit at the end of the week, at the end of the month, are you in profit? That is supposed to hit your stop loss. So my own, it don't penetrate, but it never take am. See what you do my stop loss, but it no take am. You rest more. Now stop hunting. How the market they do so we call it stop hunting. It's currently stop hunting. It's currently taking people out from their stop loss before moving in the direction that they want to move. Let's check our daily chart. Let's check our daily time frame. Because the daily time frame is also very, very much in line on the buy to buy according to market structure. Sorry. First of all, the daily time frame now uptrend. They will mark the uptrend like this. Then second of all, the market has done pull back to this resistance that was broken. And here at the current resistance. So the market supposed to continue the buy, breaking above here to form a new resistance. So now, sorry. Now between here and here, what did the market do on 4 hours time frame? Let's try to check. Between where the market for the buy 6 money, so where from the come. Let's try to check what the market will do. Circle it. Open our 4 hours time frame. So on 4 hours time frame, the market call give us what we call double bottom continuation pattern. This is called double bottom continuation pattern. It's also a pattern that takes price up. And the confirmation now still where price dey so, which is here. You see, every reversal pattern have its own confirmation pattern. So apart from say we get double bottom here, we still need to see price above this resistance zone for us to call it a reversal. So once price close above here,
You don't need to SL.
you don't hit your SL.
And you're supposed to take buy against it.
No take why? Never you do
Because
that.
this strong
Wait,
this
let me
strong
teach you
bullish.
something. Let me teach you something. Don't make that mistake now. When market take your SL, it doesn't guarantee you to take another buy immediately. Once you take that buy immediately, so it means that you just revenge that particular trade. What are you supposed to do? You are supposed to wait to see whether it gets what the market they do when you no see. You understand what I dey talk? So me,
Yes,
I dey see wetin the market they do. So if you open your 1 hour time frame, let me show you something from the 1 hour. On our 1 hour chart, the market break out from a trend line, which is this. Let me mark it again. Market break out from trend line. So ordinarily, this market supposed to pull back to test the same trend line, to test the same trend where it broke out from, which is around here. So if I go enter another bar, which I go enter, but not for where it is, so I go want make it come there a little bit more. Then once it tests inside here, I go from here take buy trade on this for this particular region. I mean where my arrow they point to around this particular region right here. So instead of you to take it from where it is, so from that up, patiently wait, make it sell, come down where, then we go from bottom, take the buy. You understand?
Yes, sir.
No reverse trade, oh, don't do that, oh. Let's see.
Hello, sir.
I can hear you.
Okay, sir.
Talk now, you dey talk to me. You dey talk to me.
Okay, no, I just I think say my network dey reconnect. I just dey try one
Okay,
take
okay,
if
okay.
we like here if you dey
Okay.
connected.
Imagine now, Adibi, you take that trade now after you take your stop loss, you for still there another losses now. So
Exactly.
the liquidity when you want go clear, so now yeah, now they come, so make I clear this thing, make you foresee where it come. So the market, so now yeah, this particular area right here, now they come, so here. So now that area, you suppose for look for how you go take another buy trade, not from where it for take you out before. So as the market come here, I feel look at for buy.
Can imagine if this time we take another buy now, we don't dey tested.
uh, rather if for not they sweat. So you don't do that. That thing will be what play on you, so now be what they call the psychology of trading. So the psychology of trading, it will actually play on you without you really knowing that that is the psychology that people are talking about. It will just play on you like normal something where you supposed to do. But if you check well, you go see say most of the time when you lose money, na the same mistake. Na the same thing wey dey always blow your account, next day blow your account, next day blow your account for years. The same thing, you go just dey waka for that same circle. So such stuff on that particular thing na one of them, which is based on say the market don take your stop loss. You fit say, as e don take am, make e no come go dey run dey go up, you go just jump enter like that blindly. No, you need to we miss that particular one. That is called an early entry. Market don dey enter the zone. So not be only you dey trade now, shebi me too I dey active. Just enter one there now. I put my stop loss below here. Still have my target at the same place. You dey hear me?
And again, I know say you go take small position again before.
Okay. So this is
Okay, you don't enter.
yes, no be I dey tell you so.
Okay.
You should be dey see my MT5 from your side. Now my MT5 dey your screen like this, so you dey see my position.
Yeah, I think on my empty first too.
So I take am, then I come put the stop loss properly. I no put am join the mat like that. So I put am for bottom of that pin bar. I actually shifted it according to 1 hour time frame. So this time around, I'm actually using my stop loss according to market structure. So because of no be oh shit, that it don't go before. So I have my two stop loss right there now, and that is all. I know they take any other trade. Now, if these two trade now, let me now tell you the psychology behind this market. If this setup now, this trade when I call take now, if he hit my stop loss, I am done for the day and I'm done for the week. That is very, very simple. It's as simple as that. I no go allow the market manipulate me. I'll call they say, make I do this thing, no, make I do this thing, no. No. If I must trade again, maybe I will call the trade maybe $20, $30, $50 account. When I know say okay, I feel say okay, let me flip this account to $200. Let me flip it to $300. If you blow, you blow. If you know blow, I use that make money. Now what you cause me they do during the day with that. Understand? But on this particular account, once it go, at least I'm using 1:3. And it's supposed to clear anyway. I know to do draw down a very small stop loss. That first trade now, a very small something.
put my stop loss.
Yes, I dey come here, I call my own for you. Me, I use my own at 4591.34. 4591.34. 4591 plus 34. That is at the tip of this pin bar where did that 1 hour structure, which is around here. 4591.34. 4591. Yes, maybe that here like this. Exactly. So I'm still targeting, I'm still hoping on that particular 1 hour resistance zone. Because see, this particular pullback, when I say happens, so it happens because the market hits a major resistance zone. Here now, major resistance. Let me quickly mark out it for you. Here was a resistance zone. Market come there, fails to break above another zone. Then the market come to that region again, fails to break above another zone. Then the market come back there again, fails to break above another zone. Then the market now come back there again. So as he reach there, when he fail, he gats do this major pullback to gather momentum to be able to break above here. So what we are now looking at for now is for price to, after it all do this pullback, so make it continue the buy trade, make it go break this resistance zone. If he break am, form above, once he pull back to this structure, if he no even reach here, the pullback when he go do, once he break here, if he no even reach again, but the take profit, you go see, maybe we just watch and see how it plays out. Let's watch and see how it plays out, how this one will play out. Let's see. So that 1 hour resistance zone next to stand as my take profit. Another one all day. Only there or nothing. Guys, if you are joining us from TikTok, please double tap on your screen and share the live stream. The people on YouTube, let's click on the like button. So when you dey re-enter am now, how many trade you enter? One trade, abi?
Yes, sir.
Because you know, say you don't fit take two trade where we say the two now na stop loss, now they hit, shebi you know.
Yes, sir.
You get wetin I want make you let's see. It is not about. I want you to understand it. To not go do one with that same mistake where they blow your account. You don't need to repeat it. Don't over leverage. Let's work towards consistency. See, the place where I go for make money as I used to that for this live house. We did this live stream. So, I found this account this morning. See, I always just flip, make I see what you want. But I never do any kind of flip. You see, a small loss that they use. But once price break above this resistance here, if I see price above here, that time you go see how I take they do flipping. As at that time, so I fit call enter trade with 0.1, 0.05, 0.03. Then I go fit enter multiple trade because I know say definitely the market go buy more. So for now, so wetin I see they do so na normal struggle for day trading. But once it break above here, you don't confirm, it go sharp. Somebody on TikTok said I risk my whole $30. Yes, me too. I dey do am sometimes now. Sometimes if I get $20, if you dey trade $20 and you dey trade gold, what do you expect? What you want do before? You dey trade gold with $20. What God do am say we think say fair reach. You understand? So the one thing where you need to understand is say if na $20 you get and you want trade, you want do flipping with gold, no go dey use stop loss of $1, $2 na waste of time. Be all those nonsense. You understand? So the best thing to use if you dey trade gold with below $20 or $20, $30, Baba, at least use $10 stop loss, $15 stop loss, so that you go fit give the market room to breathe. Understand? Make the market get room to breathe. And at the end of it all, you go see say the market go fit play around losses of around maybe 7.5 before you know it go tear go your direction. Meanwhile, Adebi you dey use stop loss of maybe $2, $3, go dey take you out, still move in your direction, and now you go dey lose. You grab. I pray to God that God will help us. So now with this particular stop loss what you dey see here. So what am I trying to do now? I have my daily risk appetite for the day. So I've done my calculation. I said I will not reach more than $75 today. Understand? So wetin I don lose now $9. $9. Understand? So on this particular trade, I call the risk. See wetin I dey risk on this particular trade wey dey so. Each of the position is about 11. That is 22. Understand? So, and I said, was it take it? I'm done for the day, and I'm done. The only thing I fit do now to trade $20 account or $30 account to recover my losses by doing flipping, which that one if it still go, but if you no go, suppose no better money. We dey do am. If you know me, suppose know say na wetin we dey always do. But for the record, don't blow account. Enjoy. In all that you do, don't allow your account blow, because market wey you think say e go chop your stop loss, wey you dey think say you wan call revenge because you wan make the money go so, e fit still give you better opportunity wey be say in few minutes make you use am recover all the losses wey you think say you don first chop for the day. Na it be forex, na it be gold, especially this pair wey dem dey call gold. Understand? Na it be gold. If you're a gold trader, you suppose understand wetin I dey talk so. That means wetin you need to always dey prioritize na how to protect your capital at all cost. Make sure say money remain. Yeah, because one small opportunity, everywhere go good. Dey watch. Everybody. Oh, thank you, Jesus Christ. Here, na it go serve as a major confirmation for this particular buy wey we dey this morning. So once you see price above here, that will be a clear confirmation. Say, this buy, it go our take profit. So in all that we do, I just to execute more buy from that region. What you they do?
I'm carrying my stop loss go front to 497. So now I can say I lose me not too much. You hear me, sir?
I hear you now.
I'm not showing you now. I'm not showing you.
You say 5 9 some 5 9 5 4597.
Yes, sir. It's good there now. I mean,
So what is the risk so now around $5 now it go be now.
uh,
Put your just touch the line make you check the amount. For the stop loss, for your MT5, for that stop loss line, that red line, just touch am, you will see the amount, you go bring am come outside.
yes, now $5.
Uh-huh. Because it's
I
just
think too
like
much.
it's not too much now. I mean, no be 10 10, no be me, I'm risking like na two trade me a day, 10.99, 10.99, which is 11.11. So I know so when you don't half arm, you just half arm. So you just carry half commod of the stop loss when I drop. So it's going to be 5. According to your account size, it's okay. Just leave it there. Because normally, like I said, we see the wait to see make this market break above this resistance for clear confirmation. Say the buy go, it go go. You understand? Let's refresh our sentiment. Let's see if there is any change. You see, I'm so as at now, remember what we checked before. When we check our sentiments this morning, we were having 50% of sellers and 50% of buyers. But as at now, we don't update now. It don't dey 49% of sellers and 51% of buyers. 51% of buyers. That means buyers are entering the market now. Buyers don't dey enter the market. But technically, never really confirm because technically this market need to break above here so that we go fit get sure confidence say more the buy go massive to our take profit until today. Understand? But for now, we have buyers according to Forex sentiment. That is the tool that we use to check the percentage of buyers and sellers. You sabi am abi? just go and confirm this thing. Just go and break above here. Okay. The Asia section, the last section for Asia section don't close. Let's confirm that because if it be the cause of that pullback, where happen now? Go to your home and open your home. You will bring you come here. Okay. So the Tokyo market don't close too. The only market where they on now na London market, na London section, na they active now. So now the closing of that particular Tokyo market, now it caused that thing to draw to come down. This particular Tokyo, it closed last few minutes ago now. Closed few minutes ago. As the Tokyo market don't open, as it don't close, now the London section. Let's see if it go figure break above there. ADEX, this is XAUSD, this is gold. Gold, we are trading gold now.
I'm busy, I'm busy. Give me space.
Hope you see that trade though. Eh? So let's go kick your pikin. Oh. Because small pikin because I'm going to just this market. I know they attach to them like that. Don't do that. We don't already take trade now. You get what we see when make we take the trade, and we have our stop loss in place and our target in place. So the best way you go fit do for yourself now to leave your trade make it run. Another thing no day. Make I use myself.
My own don't test hello.
You don't eat what in a lie. Which one we say you don't eat SL?
I go carry myself full below.
How now? I no understand. Where you call where you for enter and where you call pull your SL?
I go put the SS for one that is 4600.
Why you they trade like why you they do that? Is that not be so that they trade now? See, no, it never move. It should be you. They see me. They navigate through my MT5 too. If you see I come this my MT5 so waiting I want waiting they try here come here come do not to see. I drop line for this resistance right here. It don't come that resistance now. This is the fourth time when they come there now. You understand? Because I wanted to make it break above this resistance first on 1 minute time frame before I say okay. If you want to adjust your SL, you feel adjust. You feel adjust. I not be where it is so now. You not supposed to SL because where you can't go put the SL where we can eat them now. That be my fear because that is not trading. That is not trading at all. That's also not gambling. How they call them? You understand? Because now what if they do so? Make I tell you what they do and why you don't need them and why you not supposed to stop out today. That thing be say you dey feel say you no wan lose the money. You understand? And based on saying you no wan lose the money, that is one thing that will make you to lose the money. See, Forex now something where you need to understand them now because it go really pay you later. But if you don't understand them now, you go still pay with your money later. See, anytime you do analysis, tell yourself on this particular analysis, so how much when I already say if this market go against me when I want to lose. When you don't tell yourself that, be true to yourself and put them for there. Now, the reason for that, not be based on say you no want to lose the trade. No. It is because you know say you feel win the trade and in another way you feel still lose the trade. So if the market they move, make you know for manipulate your emotion. Forex is a game of emotion because at the listen to your background, see even the way you they communicate with the children around you shows that you are so much in emotion, you are so an emotional person, and that is one thing that this market does not want. You understand? And it be now me they trade that your account, that account where they you are now. So you foresee the way I go take the real. I not go even sell now, so I don't put the trade, put my stop loss. I go let her run. Is it that hit my stop loss or I move my direction? Another thing no go happen now. Nothing they happen for this market. No, they let market going up and down. They make your mind they hit. You understand what they try talk? Market moving up because the market will never stop. Now so they always work and that's why they behave. Not be today start. So what it go differentiate you from another beginner trader? Now the ability for you to analyze a trade, let your setup just play out after I don't take you out from stop loss. And not be me they see about $5 profits here. So after I don't take you out, why? Because you won't manage your account, you no one loser. But that is just the secret of this thing. You don't really pass like that. I beg no verse, but we go still try to know what to do. But chat me up or WhatsApp, make I know what you are. Send a screenshot of your account for me, make I see what you do. Whether it dey okay to still trade or you know dey okay to trade. Now say that just send a screenshot of your MT5, make I see how much it dey, make I check whether you fit still take trade. But you need to understand, no let no they react to this emotion, it no make sense. That is what makes you a trader. At least if you see okay.
I'm sorry.
You see, I see what you they do so. I see what you they do. Why I requested for this your screenshot, I really wanted to see what you do. You understand? Now you take profit, you take 2 profit. That time when the market can push go up, so as maybe they see $5 profit. Now you can't take your own, Chibi.
No, I'm not taking no. I put below. So
okay, above them now, you put SL below the price so that okay, what you do so now they call trailing profit. Then as it just come, they can't take you out.
Yes, sir. Come just take me out. You understand?
I get. But wait. So as according to your account when they see here, so you could still trade now. You understand? So no say today I don't tell you say wait we are willing to let go on this account at just $15. I tell you before, Abi. So once we see the next this thing, I mean, you take out. But I need you to understand that thing when I tell you now. See, Forex is a game of psychology. And the psychology na every wetin that they try teach you so. And how the psychology take dey work. The psychology of trading, it go play on you without you knowing that is psychology. It go just deal with you in a way that you no go know. Your mind, you go just think say, now what you supposed do. But that is not what you are supposed to do. That is the psychology of trading. So when you start to take the opposite direction, that is where you will start seeing the light of being a profitable trader. So what am I trying to say now? One of the easiest way to be profitable and consistently remain profitable is whenever you do analysis, Baba, always let that your analysis play out. Except say you no trust your your strategy. Not be everybody sabi analyze this market. Some people, they don't know how to differentiate buyers and sellers from the market. But if you have a strategy that tells you when to buy and when to sell, always stick to it. Then what you need to do next, now how to grow your account next, which is once you don't do the analysis, no do this game as if say na bet Naija, no do am as if say na sporting. No, do am in a way that now you go determine wetin your belle fit carry when the market go against you. So if it be say na $10 your belle fit carry, put your SL for that $10. Let that play out. Now there is a place for trailing profit. That one is I dey preach for this platform almost every day. If you dey watch wetin I dey do since, I don't know why I just keep mute. Do as I just go toilet, come back, and then I never cut up. But you go see, say I dey navigate, I go open my MT5. I will come back to the TradingView. Why I dey open my MT5? Not be to show you my account. You understand? I dey open up now my business. I dey do. If this market break above here on this particular 1 minute time frame, I know say I go adjust my SL. Then once it break above another resistance, I go do my break even. As they go, I go dey drag my stop loss, they follow am. I go dey drag it so that I go. If the time will come reach I no go dey risk $1 and I go still dey massively in profit. Now business, now orientation, you get the way they take they do and just that. Anyway, I don't tell you say I don't know where I go for start the class or now till you come Lagos because I need to understand how you learn. I need to understand how you learn because that is my job. That is what I will do for you. First of all, I will take you in a way that make I understand how you take the learn faster. Are you the kind of person where we say I need to repeat something countless times before you grab them, or you are the kind of person where we say I need to break them down in a layman's language before you understand it, or you are the kind of person where we say I need to give example with things where you do already familiar with before you understand them. So once I understand the kind of person where you be, I know as I go take handle you, but I know as I go take they relate with you anytime with the class. You understand? But for now, just they follow small. Like I said, no let anybody whine you. I've successfully taken $20 to $1,000 countless times. You understand? This year we don't do it once. This year I don't do $100 to $1,084. That was the month of February. So me, what thing I want make you know be say. What thing I want make you know be say you don't need to blow your account. So even if you lose some money, it doesn't mean that you should just revenge and because you want to get it back, you will end up losing everything. So just be doing it step by step until the right time. Me, I never still see my right time for this market. And I make this. I know they make money. So though I did profit too, but I never still make better profit this morning because market never break above here. Never break above this 1 hour resistance zone. That is just my analysis. If you break them now, you go see what I go do for your presence. If price fit break above here, I not go call the fear again. But where this market day now, if you still come to my stop loss, but I not go fear because my stop loss when I put, I know how much when it be. I feel waka commod. I feel decide to just go now, to just go chop life for one corner. You understand what I try to talk? Knowing fully well that it either it go my way or it go against me. And if it go against me, how much it be? I know. I don't already do the calculator, press my calculator. So I not go the fear, say I can't go blow. So with any amount I go remain, if I see another opportunity, I go first still get my money back. So it not really pass like that. I pray that God will help us. Just no worry, everywhere good. Let's just continue. Me, I'm still hoping for the market to do all of the struggle. If it does struggle finish, make it finally break here. If this market feel break, anytime when it take break here today, I'm out. I dey follow am. Not be me go tell the market when it go take move. But my analysis said this market is supposed to buy according to the daily time frame, 4 hours time frame, and also on this 1 hour chart. But for that to be confirmed, I need to see price above here on the 1 hour time frame. So once price break above here now, that will be my clear confirmation. I'm going to be buying gold massively with everything that I own. You understand? So we go use and make better money. But for now, we go still they do our small. They use our small stop loss. Yeah, Moses, I see you. Yeah, it's been long. I see you on my live stream. Welcome back. The people on YouTube, please let's click on the like button. Let's click on the like button. Let's click on the top sub button. The people on TikTok, let's double tap on our screen. Yeah, Moses, we are very good. We thank God. That is the family, and that is your business too. We are good. We are good. Yeah, thank God. Welcome back, Jerry. About thanks for the follow. Guys, let's double tap on our screen, please. Let's double tap. Let's share the live. So I give example here today, which is that example when I give you today, we say, Black Mama, I see you. You are welcome. Good morning. Black Mama, you just join, you just come. So I give example here today. You see here, we have a lot of people that knows how to analyze the forex market technically, professional analysts too. I mean, those guys are very, very good in analyzing the market, but they are not making money. We have them, a lot of them. See, I was in a gathering. If you see Trading Cartel, you see Danny FX, you see their King FTP. We were all together on Saturday last week at the XNES PDP program. Now, on that particular meeting, I got to understand that more. Not that I don't know them before, but I just understand more in details how those guys say they make their millions of dollars. I've never made that kind of money before, but I've been trading. I've been making some numbers too. You understand? But when I see when this guy Trading Cartel, if anybody know the Trading Cartel here, when he was sharing with us, I was able to make about 5 billion naira. Then he showed us live on the in that particular meeting, because it was not a forex trading meeting, it was just a partnership meeting. Then he gave us some things that he do that me personally I am not doing, and I am supposed to be doing if I actually want to get same numbers. And one of the things Naibweti has shared with us here this morning, you see this forex market, though I've been saying it before, but we need to really understand, let it dawn on us. You are not always going to be right. Hey, Jesus Christ. Anyway, I know say Black Mama, they always join my live stream, and you're supposed to hear me, they always they talk that same word. You are not always going to be right. Oh. Hey. But if you go fit settle down, now the tips with that the nugget that he dropped that actually strike my attention is this. He said, if you are always looking at the profit, you will lose everything that you came to the market with. If you be saying only profit, now be waiting in your mind. He said most of the time, what makes you a profitable, consistent, profitable trader is the ability to also be looking out for your losses. Hey, many of us, we know they look out for our losses. We know one lose shishi. Any small thing, we don't put small stop loss. We go make the stop loss. You will get, let's say you have a $20 account. You have a $20 account and you want to trade that $20 account to a reasonable amount. And you are trading gold that is very, very volatile. Even if you enter the market with 0.01 on gold, then you can't go put up and say, hey, I don't want to lose more than $2 because my mentor said I should be doing proper risk management. Do you know how many pips be that $2? Market go just breathe. Normal breathe where gold go breathe. It don't take your stop loss. And the market will still move in your direction. You understand? So in such cases, based on say your account this month, why not at least use even 50%, 75% of the account by at least put, if now $20, use $10 as your stop loss so that you go give the market room to do all the manipulation now. So when he ready say he won't move in your direction, Jesus Christ. Why you not go buy before? See. I did good profit now. I'm okay. It's due now. Now be waiting with the preach so now. The ability to understand, say, no be when the stop loss it tight. It not really mean say now make no. Sometimes you need to understand how to use your stop loss properly so that market no go always they take you out before you move in your direction. Except say you not trust in your strategy. If you have a winning strategy, Baba just be using good stop loss. You go say you go always they get them right. if you have a winning strategy, if you get strategy where we say they work, like this particular strategy that we are using, no, they use stop plus small, because small stop loss will always take you out and still move in your direction. So use your stop loss according to market structure, and you will always celebrate that you did. I pray that God will give us understanding. Guys, if you are joining, you are welcome. Please let's double tap on our screen. Let's share the live. And don't forget, we are actually focusing more on the daily time frame, the 4 hours time frame, and the 1 hour time frame on this particular analysis. The daily time frame says that gold is still bullish, gold now uptrend. The sell where we sell for the past few days now, and just pull back. I believe everybody know, if you not go remember. So on daily time frame, the market still day uptrend, and day before yesterday and yesterday, the market does sell, which happens to be pull back. You understand? So today, Friday, the market is supposed to do 50% retracement, and apart from the 50% retracement, it's supposed to continue the trend. Red Circle Animal, yes, I'm in Nigeria now. We have a physical office here in Lagos State. You can join us either physically or online in case you want to join us or you want to work with us. Understand? So the market now, they continue the original trend. Are we together? So on 4 hours time frame, what did the market can do? The market can do double bottom continuation pattern on 4 hours. See, I'm here. So on 4 hours, the market can do this double bottom continuation pattern. Let me make a mark here. Right? Now, on 1 hour, the market can't do a bullish engulfing continuation pattern on 1 hour. See, I'm here. Now, you know why we they point out all of those things? So that make you for know why you they do what you they do. You cannot be buying gold without understanding the reason behind the buy, or without having a strong confirmation why you are buying. So that even if the market decide to do the opposite, you go know what you see when make you they do what you they do before. So you go quickly adapt. You go know whether the market or the reverse against you, or whether the market whether not pull back if they do. Should we take first trade? We take the first trade here, it take our stop loss. But I know say the market will they do 50% retracement of this engulfing. So when it come down again, I re-enter around. Then I instructed every other person to re-enter because the market see they line with our analysis. There's no need to be shy. There's no need to be afraid or to be maybe you call the late emotion the maga you. You understand what I talk? So I pray God will keep helping us. So God will give us understanding. It's not easy. Forex is a business, and I keep saying this. If you fail to learn the business orientation of this Forex market, if you fail to understand the business orientation of this industry, you can only be a professional analyst that is not making money. Because I keep saying this, you can know how to analyze this market 100, make you know they make shishi. Now two different stuff it be. Now two different things it be. Knowing how to analyze and making money now two different things. Oh. I pray God will help us. Yes, I still did the trade now. Should be they see my MT5 here. MT5 it is. See you did the trade. So me, the market never really confirm waiting I want. Now buy, now they buy. Oh. But what it go give me morale, they open more positions. If you understand, if you observe, many of them when no as I tell the truth, I don't say I they open more than 2 positions. If I want open position, at least 5, 6. Understand? Now, for me to open another position, I cannot open it here. No, that is foolishness. That is no longer forex trading. That is not gambling. If I want to open position now, I want this market to confirm that this my analysis was right. Because where the market day, so it never give me 100% authenticity. Say, my analysis they right. If you see come to my head, but the moment I see price above here, guys, the moment we see price above this resistance, that will be a clear confirmation that, guy, the buy that you are buying, you are right. And the market will get to this take profit right here, this particular resistance. Because for those of you that will be following us, we understand that I've been saying this, now structure, therefore they give price problem. Yes, now structure. Now when market, they approach resistance or support, now there, therefore they always they give a problem. Where this market start to from the sell this morning, now when it reach resistance. You understand? Before it reach resistance, you know see the power when it take buy, but the moment it reach resistance, it do put now some market they move. Oh. Now, as it be they said before, you know, as it takes sell well, but the moment it reach support zone, it started buying. So now, if market eventually break above this resistance zone, right here like this, the next place where they go for give a problem again, now here, and again I be the take profit. So once it break above here, any opportunity when I see now to the enter more buy. So now like that, they take they use more money now, they make more money. Are we together, sir? So if you want to know how to use that your small block, how you that your small money to make more money. Now, when you see confirmation like this, not this kind of trade. This one now normal day trading, now it still be. If you hit my SL, I go accept the loss, and I've already said that if this one hit my SL, I'm not going to take another trade on this account. The only account where you go see I go to trade maybe $20, $30 for the day. But on this particular account that we are seeing right now, we not take another trade on Monday. You understand? But once it break above here, there you go see me executing good trades on this same account. Kim Cartel, I see you. This is XAUSD. Guys, let's double tap on our screen. Let's share the live. The people on TikTok, let's double tap. Guys, let's double tap on our screen now. Let's double tap on our screen. Let's work together, guys. Bro, this market all they pull back again. So should be, you dey active. You see they hear me? You dey hear me? Okay. This market don't do pullback again, so you suppose enter out from that pullback shall on 15 minutes, and on 5 minutes it was a perfect pullback. This is a pullback on 5 minutes time frame. On 5 minutes, the market break above here, so it pulled back to that place when it break out from, which is here. So suppose take the buy trade from here, but let's say you've missed it. But if it come down there again, if market come down here again, take buy trade from this particular zone here. So take buy trade here, your stop loss no go be where our would be. Your stop loss will be just around here. And that place where you first adjusted at the first time put. Understand? Then if you no come back there, you go wait to see whether you go fit break above here, this resistance when it just create on 5 minutes now, on 5 minutes. So if this 5 minutes break, once you pull back, you go fit enter out from there. Because now you know call there now, but we will stay there. So it get wetin I want make you understand. So learn to trade without emotionally attached to the market or to your trade or to what the market is doing. Because if you know this now, it's going to help you in the long run. That day will never come when this market will no longer be doing this thing that it's doing now. That day no go come. Market no dey always move. If you see say market from here move reach here, na news cause am. And after every news, market dey always return back to where e suppose dey according to market structure. You understand? So you when know say market where we dey trade so na price fluctuation, and this is how the price move. E go go up, e go come down, e go go up again, e go come down again, e go go up again. If you know say na like this market dey move, your own na just to give yourself peace of mind. Once you analyze, put your stop loss, let her do the yeye when e dey do. But at the end of the day, wetin you shall wan see be say e move in your direction more, and e reach where you put your take profit, or you gradually manually take your profit by yourself. You understand? So guys, just give me a few seconds. Let me change over. I don't give us light. Hello? You dey hear me? You dey hear me? Hello, you dey hear me? I no dey hear you. You dey hear me now? Okay, let me quickly share my screen so that once my screen pop up, let me know. Okay. Were you able to enter the market before I go change over?
Yeah, I did not take anything.
Okay, just wait again. So let's see the 5 minutes now.
I need to go first about okay, thank you.
Oh, you really miss out for that trade, Shao. You miss out for that trade. Where the market will come move. At that time you got a hit you come on. Where my eyes dey for take profit na be this particular line where dey here. Now there I want for the take profit. Now, because here where the market dey for the struggle since so this particular structure right here now major resistance zone. If price come off for here, if price fit break above here, na small pullback e go do. E go just use power take go that take profit. And that will be, it might get to around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock Nigeria time. You understand? That is by 1 o'clock now, the New York market will open. So what the New York market open, we will now be trading what is called overlapping. But currently, the market where we dey trade now, na London section. So you can see that the market no really to get strength like that. It will go up, it will come down, it will go up, it will come down. But during that overlapping today, there will be more volume in the market, and the market fit use that time to push well, go that particular take profit. So that is why here, this particular 1 hour will serve as a major role for us to get our confirmation of this particular buy today. So in order we do, let's pay close attention to what the market will do around this zone. If you break out, our take profit is guaranteed, which is here. Then if it still reach there now, maybe the call still go reject them. Then I feel first of all take my partial profit here. I go wait, make it pull back again, make a re-enter, because if I close my trade now, overall for the day, I did profit. You understand? So there is no need when I go allow return back to my entry before I go call re-enter. So I will just feel take them partially. If it come back down, I feel re-enter if it no break below the support towards the New York session. Guys, let's double tap on our screen, guys. Let's double tap on our screen. Now, people on YouTube, let's click on the like button now. Let's encourage the live stream. How many of us are here? Guys, if you are joining, you are welcome. Please, let's encourage the live. Let's encourage the live stream. Active, Demola. Act- Bro, are you still active? Get it to do now. So me, I first take that $11. So now when it come down, when it do this particular massive pullback now, so I just re-enter another one. See, I'm here. See my MT5. So see my account be day two something before. So when it do that spike go up, I close that 11 out because I observe say here in a structure, it might want to do another pullback before the continuation of the buy. So now when it don't do the pullback now, I don't re-enter am. So what they show you now be say you feel re-enter am. Say you know day trade, so if you take your trade from there, put your stop loss below there. Yes, now you know day trade before now. You day trade? You day trade before? It's already going.
But the market, you really take that way. I just take one position.
You never take am?
You are still the watch out. I don't take am.
I know what they do you, shall. Later I go tell you. I know exactly how you they feel. I know what they do you, and I know how you take they react to. I know what you they react to. Now, you think say you think say when market drop, say you no suppose they buy. Now wetin dey go through your mind be that? Say but the market still dey go down now. Make I wait. Make I no go go buy when market they go down. So if you were to make your own decision now, maybe now sell, now you go sell. But you need to understand, we know they sell based on say market they go down. That is not trading. We only buy from bottom. We dey buy when price low, when price come down, when price dey support zone, and we only dey sell when price dey high, when price go up, when price dey resistance zone. So if I say make you buy, it doesn't mean that the market don't give you green candle. The market doesn't need to give you a green candle before you click on the buy trade. No. Now something you need to see where go validate your buy, which is say market don't dey support. And as market dey support, so based on say your overall analysis, now buy, and the market according to your strategy is supposed buy. So even as the market don't drop, so you suppose just take the buy from there, put your stop loss below any structure there. See, after I take that profit now, when it come down, this other trade when I take so, you go observe say now small thing now I call the risk. I know the risk as before again. What thing that the risk? I no even reach $10, no reach $10. And I close above $10 profit now. So what thing I make so now I will call use as my stop loss now for this particular trade when I did so now. You understand? So you go observe, you go if you check, if you look, you go see the calculation when me and they use, where we they use to they build small account. You go see what they use, how would they gather those small money. You don't need to now small share. I know say you go get them, but I want you to kill that fear. I want you to buy that fear. I don't want to make you make your mind they go up and down, or make you call the thing say you're not supposed to take them now. No, if they think like that, you will never take a good trade because there is no perfect trade anywhere. Trade where you go see, call them, say this is a perfect entry. You go take them, you go run straight to your stop loss. Hey, you need to understand that. Call the number. Okay. It's okay. It doesn't need to be over wide. It's okay. Let's not there. I put this my own day around 4,599. My own day 4,599, which is just below. If you open your 5 minutes time frame, you will see where those pin bar dey. Just below those pin bar. Now there I put my own. No need to be wide. Okay, somebody asked what time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour chart. The market is proving stubborn. To break here, now they give a problem. Say so. No fair reach there. I take my profit. So as it come down, I call re-enter them again. See the open to go. You know one go. Make I know where I go for commod. It's very, very simple. Now be that 5 minutes time frame. And if you open your 5 minutes chart, if you open your 5 minutes time frame, that place where that stop loss they so now very sweet zone where go give us another confirmation, which is here. My stop loss they below those pin bar. But to see this particular structure, if you see price below here on this 5 minutes time frame, if you see price below here, was it pull back, I go take set target it here because now here now they come with that before the opening of the New York session. So I go still use and make money. So now make you see my stop loss. I no make a wide. I put my stop loss for here 4599, which is around here. And here I put my stop loss so that if he eventually come down here and it take me out from my stop loss and closes below this structure from the pullback, I know say they come either here. I know say they come either here or here. Understand? So I go fit follow a package before another massive buy move. Understand? Until it break below here. Let's just monitor the trade like that. No big packs like that. Another $3. Me, I know they use bigger lot size, but with a pack go sometimes. You get the way God to the airport say they make profit on this go there. Sometimes go got to say, I've been at juju that they use. Guys, let's double tap on our screen, please. I hear you. You know, say now one trade you take, Abi. You know, say now one trade you take, Abi. I don't know why I know they hear you. I waiting. I will tell you. Be say make you take that particular trade out now. You get waiting at the scene now. Make I explain that for you. Take that particular trade out. Let me explain something very, very important to you. Let me answer somebody, please. Guys, if you are joining us from TikTok, let's double tap on our screen. Let's share the live. Somebody said I should reply. Reply to what? XAUSD. Yes, this is good now. XAUSD. Oh, sorry. Let me plug this microphone. So the reason why, I don't know whether you see they hear me. The reason why I said me you come off for that trade for now based on say this is a 11:26, which is to 12, and the market may want to accumulate now towards the distribution time, which happens to be 1 o'clock Nigeria time, but that is the opening of the New York session. You dey hear me now? You dey hear me?
Yes, sir. So the network just keep connecting.
Try. So you still did the trade?
Yes, I do. I'm not taking profit.
I mean, when you go up that time now, take profit now. So they come as you come down now, I call re-enter them again from this particular 5 minute support zone. Now new trade nowadays when I don't take profit 2 times. So I don't know the network they bad, and even from your own side, the see they make noise very, very bad. They make noise well. I know just to they hear you to the talk. So on 15 minutes time frame, I want us to mark this resistance zone right here. Then let's see the reaction of move of market around this zone. Why does they make noise now? Or the market don't come back to that major support where we for take the first trade. So you see, say me now, I don't close profit 2 times. You understand? When it first come up, I close about 11. Then when it come down, I enter again. When it go up again, I come out. So now the third trade now this within this range. Because market never get power to move direct. Guys, if you are joining us from TikTok, you are welcome. Please let's double tap on our screen. Let's share the live. The people on YouTube, please click on the like button, guys. The overall target is still on this particular 1 hour resistance zone, this particular 1 hour right here. Just that where the market, you see where we get this particular circle right here, there's still the reject price from here. They are still rejecting it from here. So we are waiting patiently to see if the market will be able to break above this resistance before the opening of the New York session by 1 o'clock Nigeria time. If we should see price above here, then there is no any other structure and is capable of stopping the market until it gets to this resistance zone. So now we see the enters buy from this particular bottom, so that make we for day better trade and have a very tight stop loss. If the market will be able to break above here, then to give us a confirmation, then we can now open more positions that get in here as our take profit. But we've been taking partial profit between here and here, but the overall take profit is still on this 1 hour time frame. Now, this particular analysis was not analyzed. This particular chart was not analyzed on the 1 hour. No, we are only using the 1 hour to follow what we've analyzed on daily and 4 hours, which is, let me take you through. If you go to your daily time frame, let's open another chart right now. If you come here and right now you open your daily, if you open your daily chart, you will see that XAUSD is still very, very much bullish, meaning buyers are still the one in charge on this particular gold market. Buyers are the one in charge. Let me delete everything. See, gold now uptrend is still there. Never reverse to downtrend. You understand? Now, in an uptrend, first of all, we need to look out for the market structure, the current market structure, which is how price has been moving. You observe that the market has been respecting market structure by breaking, first of all, it break a reversal, it break a resistance zone right here. It did a pullback, it continued the buy, break a resistance zone, form a new resistance, then they pull back with the previous one, continue the buy, break a resistance, form a new resistance. So now, even here was a structure too. If you check another broker, you will see a very clear structure here. Then it did a pullback again. Then it continued the buy, breaking above here to form here. Then day before yesterday and yesterday, the market did a pullback to this place. So today, Friday, we are only anticipating the continuation of the bullish trend. I said we are only anticipating the continuation of the original bullish trend because gold now uptrend is still on this time frame, on this daily time frame. So if your analysis is against this, you can drop it in the comment section so we can also see your own view. So according to price action, this market has done, according to market structure, the market has done the pullback and is supposed to continue the trend. Meanwhile, we have the resistance here on daily. Now we understand that even while we are anticipating the daily to continue the buy, the market will not just jump and start buying. No, we need to also look out for a clear reversal pattern on the lower time frame, like the 4 hours time frame and also the 1 hour time frame. So that was what brought us to the 4 hours. So what did we see on the 4 hours time frame? If you open your 4 hours time frame now, we will observe that this morning the market has given us something called the double bottom continuation pattern right here. The market gave us a double bottom continuation pattern. Remember, all of this said that the market has been selling since on Wednesday, are just pulled back on the daily time frame. Remember, that daily time frame was just doing pullback according to market structure, so that it can continue the buy. So now the market have got it to this place Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So now today to Friday, we now observe that the first 4 hours, the market gave us a double bottom here. So we are not going to call it a reversal pattern, rather we will call it a continuation pattern because the market still did uptrend before. You understand? So the continuation pattern of 4 hours is very, very valid, which is this place where we just mark so. Then again, we are going to mark this particular resistance right here as a place that will serve as our confirmation that the reversal pattern is really valid. Then we cut step and down because we don't have that patience to wait until the 4 hour close. So we need to look out for an instant reversal on the lower time frame. That was what brought us to the 1 hour time frame. So on 1 hour time frame, we have a particular reversal pattern called a bullish engulfing reversal pattern. This one is a very, very strong one. So this one, so now they give us the information where we take the react since morning. So this particular engulfing right here, it's called bullish engulfing. Bullish engulfing is a reversal pattern that takes price from downtrend to uptrend. So if you want to check if gold be day downtrend on 1 hour, let me show you that gold be day downtrend before on 1 hour time frame. So let's mark out the trend on this time frame now. This is a clear trend. Gold be day downtrend for this 1 hour time frame. Then today, earlier this morning, it could give us reversal pattern on 1 hour chart, which is called bullish engulfing reversal pattern. And also, it has broken out from a trend line. So now just for the market to test the same trend, which it already do. So now make with a look out for buy continuation here. Now anticipating price to come and break above this resistance for the continuation of the buy. Now, if price successfully break out from this resistance zone right here, this place where this line dey, the next place where they go for give am problem, the next place where the market go land, now where this resistance dey. So now make at the talk say here like this. Let me mark it. Here happens to be my overall target, my overall take profit on any buy when I dey take. Anything will make me enter buy anywhere around here, that is supposed to take me. So anything will make me take any buy around here, that particular 1 hour structure, that 1 hour resistance, now be my overall target. Say now there I want make the market come. So even if I dey take partial profit, partial dose, all those stuff, but now there now I see the target. You understand? Somebody say, I would love to message you outside here, please. You can send us direct message on WhatsApp. So through here. Okay, somebody asking from TikTok, click on YouTube. Just go on YouTube and search GN Forex. Just search GN Forex. You will see us. We are currently live now on YouTube. You will see the thumbnail. I will show you the thumbnail now. I'm coming. Guys, please let's double tap on our screen. Let's double tap. Let's share the live. Hello, you dey hear me? You dey hear me? Eh?
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. I dey hear you now, sir.
Okay, see what we go do now. See what we go do. See what we go do now. Let's try as much as possible. Now, this afternoon, let's get that particular account verified, that particular account of yesterday. Eh?
Yes, sir.
Then you go transfer this money to there. Let me trade it for you by myself between now and next week. So that let's see. So that if once I share my screen with you, now me go to execute the trade. Yours is just to be monitoring the trade from your MT5 from your own end. But that's how they talk.
Okay.
Because it be like say network really they disturb. Oh, I know if anytime if I talk like this, the kind of noise when they come out from the speaker is very, very bad. I don't like that. But that's what I'm saying. So we feel do am later today, Abi.
If you want, now I can proceed on it. Now.
Oh yeah, proceed so that maybe we know how far time day. So once you run and make from here the trade and then just the monitor, just the watch what they do. Then next week you can make your withdrawals. All right. Yes, let's double tap on our screen now. Let's double tap on our screen. Let's share the live stream. If you are joining, you're welcome. Please let's double tap and share. See, if I tell and I say, you see, when it comes to scalping, anyway, those of you that know. Many people when we say we don't come to office before, you suppose understand, say, when it comes to start with Sabiam, you understand? Get the way that they follow this market. It get the way you go take follow go there. You go understand every single move when they move. And you go understand when the market they manipulate. You go understand when the market they accumulate. And you go so much know when this market one distributes. Hey, Jesus Christ. Another one. Oh yeah. So for now, let's wait till the opening of the New York session by 1 o'clock Nigeria time. Let's see what gold will do. Now, it don't test that same box. It don't go test that same trend line where it break out from it. It don't test and go now. Understand? So let's follow it from the 1 hour chart so that we go feel really understand. See 1 hour. You know, say, see, the trend line I be this when this market create this resistance zone, it come back and test that same resistance. It was rejected out, back inside, sorry. Was really back inside. Then it come there again. They reject time inside again. So now here it finally for breakout. And I know now, whenever we see price out of any trend line, either uptrend or downtrend, the market always we still need to do pullback to test the same trend before the continuation of that direction when you want to go. And remember, what we they see now so might be called the manipulation time before the distribution. For those of you that be following, I believe you understand what I'm saying. This market always have a way to manipulate, to accumulate, then distribute. So let's watch out for what God is doing now for better understanding so that we no go miss out when that massive distribution will start. Everybody make we for take advantage of them. Guys, let's double tap on our screen, guys. Let's double tap, let's double tap, let's double tap. If you are joining, you are welcome. Please double tap on your screen for me. If you are joining, you are welcome. Please double tap on your screen, guys. Double tap on your screen. So from that particular box now, me, I don't take another trade from there. Now be this, if you open your 1 hour, in which sense I just execute another sell trade, another buy trade from there. Pin. It's an snipey entry there. And the stop loss, they're very, very tight because it doesn't need to be wide as at that time because the market still don't reach the place already. The only place where your stop loss fitting are just beneath this particular pin bar right here. There's a pin bar there. You just put them around that pin bar right there because anything that makes price to come down there and trigger it, just give up on the sell on the buy trade. Understand? Let's go, guys. Let's double tap on our screen, please. If you are joining, you are welcome. Double tap on your screen and share the live. Good. Not good. You are teaching. Yes, now on that so and I just enter another buy. So what are they doing as well? I just normal scalping now. The scalp goes so I go take once you go up, I take out my profit because now I dey wait, I dey use style dey wait till the New York market open. So now when that New York market open, now I go take see better distribution time. Understand? Like at those two trade now, don't they enter profit again? I can decide to take it. The account don't grow. If I tell you how much the account then now, you no go believe. Oh, if I tell you how much the account don't go back, you no go believe. So last month, but we just take the scalper now until we see the clear confirmation of the buy during that New York session. So should they wait? Let me be doing my scalping. For the day, I'm currently in good profit now, so I feel use that one still the whole body till that time before I go knock out better lot. I no say now see. As soon as scalping now they do now, Swiss I go enter trade when anytime it call hit that particular support zone. Once it go up, I take out my profit. Once it come back, so as it come down here, I take another buy trade. As they go now, I decide to quit now. So I take grow this account today. So why I go sell market where this support zone? There na structure. See, according to our analysis, on 1 hour time frame, there now where market from come outside from the trade line. So price gas to come test time again. So now there it is so. So as far as say, if you observe, you go see say as they come there, that they reject them. It don't come, they reject them. It go still come, that they reject them. So I don't know whether I go feel breaking. Even if say you go feel breaking, that will not really concern me. You understand? But before you do the breaking, make what they do because me now waiting at the wait for the distribution time, which is 1 o'clock Nigeria time. 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. Nigeria time is the time that I'm waiting for now for me to do either to continue this particular sell down to this support or for the market to continue the buy that we initially analyzed. Very, very simple. Just the watch now. Mind you, on this 1 hour time frame, market just break below a support zone, which is right here. Take note of that. So if you still do pull back, come there, make it tear they go down. Guys, shebi una see how they take the rejector come outside, so na make you always dey very very important. Say you understand wetin market makers dey do. Chai. Well, let's keep it going. No shaking. Somebody said the landlord dey knock your door. Landlord no dey stay for here now. Landlord no dey live with us. I no even know my landlord sef. So which time we go take go break now so that make we for refresh before the New York market open? Because I really want to trade that market now. Yeah. That New York, I really want to settle down, trade that well. Understand? So guys, inside time I'll be sitting down here after since around 5 a.m. when I wake up today, freshen up, do covenant hour of prayer. After that, I never really come off for here. So I need to freshen up again for strength when we take continue. Very, very much in line.